Girl, what's your name, what you drinking? Yeah, what's your favorite song? If you're thinking what I'm thinking, we ain't gonna be in this bar too long. We'll be sneaking on out to your car, stealing kisses out there in the dark. Yeah, it might be too soon to say I love you, but you're gonna make me want to. Hey everyone, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Welcome. If this is your first time, and if you're returning, welcome as well. So I'm going to teach you how to play Make Me Want To by Jimmie Allen. I've never done a Jimmie Allen song before, and I heard this one on Amazon Music, so I thought I would teach it to you guys. So real quick, everyone who has already subscribed to my channel, especially like recently and stuff, like thanks so much. I really appreciate it. It makes my day every time I see the number go up, so I appreciate it. And then for those of you who haven't, if you find this guitar tutorial informative and useful, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new ones. Okay? Enough of that self-promotion, let's get into it. So this is an awesome song for a lot of reasons, but it's really fun to play on the guitar because it's got a fast strumming pattern, but it's also, there's no capo, as you can see, no capo, and it's in standard tuning. So you can play it anywhere, you don't need all your stuff. You can just play it. If you're at a campfire and someone else has a guitar and they didn't bring a capo, you're in luck. You can still play this song. Okay, so you're going to use different chords for the chorus and verse. Chorus and verses. But they're not all going to be different. But it's still a pretty easy chord progression. Okay, so the intro is just D. Okay, D, and then G. So I would use this G most of the time because it's easier to switch to. Okay, so you go D, G, and then next is G, D, A. Okay? So the way that you play the intro, I think, is so it's down, down, up, down. So you only do up, down on G. Okay? Then when you start again on G, you go down, down, up, down. So that might seem hard, but it's down, down, up, down. Down, down, up. So you go down, down, up. You're playing up. You're still doing up on D. Down, down, up. Down, down, up, down. See, the only thing you do on A in that intro is down. Okay. So D is. So it's to start over with that one more time. It's down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Okay. Now, you might need to try that a couple of times, but just remember it's down, down, up, down, and you just repeat that. That's the same for the intro, okay? Now, the verse, you probably could play it that way. I think it's kind of hard to sing and play that way, and I don't like teaching you guys stuff that you can't sing at the same time, because I'm all about entertainment, so, and being able to accompany yourself. So, the way that you can play it as well, if that's too hard, or you can actually play this for the intro and the verses as well, but you're just going to do... Okay, so notice that down, so G, down, 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 down. All right, so it's just down on like that. So practice that a little bit, and I think that'll help you do it. Okay, so that's how you do it for the verses. So it'll go long legs, cut off jeans, pulling me in like a magnet. Your eyes locked on me, knew right then I had to have you. Okay. So that's the verse. Then online what I'm seeing is they're calling it the pre-chorus. I don't know that it really is, but maybe. But anyway, it's just like kind of an extension of the verses. So you're going to do the same chord progression, all right? You're going to do D, G. So it's right here in the middle of the floor, of the hole in the wall in the back street. Okay? So that's the same. That's still D, G, G, D, A. Okay? Now, the line, though, right before the chorus, that is different. You're going to play G and then A. So all you do is, I knew I had to get close to you. Okay, so G, close. I knew I had to get close. And right after close, you do A. Close to you. Okay, then you can mute, and then you're going to do B minor. So the chorus is going to be B minor, G, and I go to this G just because it's easier to switch to there. It doesn't really matter what you do. But, so I go B minor, G, then A, D. And that's going to be just like that kind of rhythm, okay? B minor, G, A, D. Okay, now, so the way that I remember that is, again, if you see my other videos, I really like to remember stuff like chord progressions by spelling, if they spell words out. If they don't, it's a little bit harder to remember. So I do, it's just B, Gad, almost like be good, but just Gad, G-A-D. Growing up, my mom used to say, oh, Gad. We don't take the Lord's name in vain in my family, so she always said Gad. So anyway, so that's one easy way for you to remember it is be Gad or be good, right? So what's your name, what you drinking? Yeah, what's your favorite song? Okay, so that's how it goes. Now at the very end of it though, you're gonna play it differently. So you're gonna, yeah, it might be too soon, say I love you, but you're gonna make me want to. Okay, then you go into like how the verses play. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how the strumming pattern for the chorus now. It's faster, but it's not super difficult, okay? So you're gonna do B minor, so you're gonna go, what's your name? Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so I showed you how it is slower, but so if you want to watch me and try and do it where I go faster, we're gonna do it on 1, 2, 3. Girl, what's your name? What you drinking? Yeah, what's your favorite song? If you're thinking what I'm thinking, we ain't gonna be in this bar too long. We'll be sneaking on out to your car, stealing kisses out there in the dark. Yeah, it might be too soon to say I love you, but you're gonna make me want to. Okay, so then you go back into the intro thing, then you play the second verse. Now the bridge is very short and it's incredibly easy. Okay, so it's gonna do the same thing where it's D, G, G, D, A, real quick. Okay, so you know D, G, then you quickly do G, D, A, and then you just do D, G. All right, so it's just, we'll be sneaking on out to your car. Okay, and you go, stealing kisses out there in the dark. Okay, then so you're gonna want to let that like go like softer and stuff. You're just gonna do those single strums. Okay, because you're building up to the final chorus, and that's where, so this part gets softer, and then you're going to bring it up and make it a lot like a lot faster and louder and stuff. So this is usually going to be the loudest part of the song. However, if you're just playing it like a campfire, you could probably make it as loud as the other choruses. Okay, so it would be, so yeah, you'll do that. So you do D, G, G, D, A, then just D, G. All right, and then you kind of like stop after that last strum out in the dark. And then you go, girl, what's your name? What you drinking? Yeah, what's your favorite song? Okay, so that's how it goes. And then you'll repeat that. You'll do the same thing where you do B minor, Gad, so B, Gad. And then you're going to do B minor, G, A, so then be ga. All right, maybe like be gone, I don't know. But anyway, so you'll do that. And then at the end of the song, you're going to just keep playing the, you know, because you keep saying you're going to make me want to, you're going to make me want to, girl, you're going to make me want to, I want you, okay? And then you'll just end, you're going to play B minor, Gad, so B, Gad 3 times, yeah, 3 times, and then you will do just B minor, G, okay? And so you'll go, you're going to make me want to, so you can go, you could end it on D. If you just do a single strum on D, it'll sound really good. So yeah, so you don't have to go, you don't technically have to do anything after the G, but I think it sounds better if you end it on the D, because it like finishes the chord progression. Does that make sense? I don't know why. If it doesn't make sense, let me know in the comments. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or requests for other songs. I'm more than happy to to teach you guys how to do a song, you know, of your choosing, if I haven't already done a video on it. But yeah, it's a great song. It's really fun, and it got some like fast strumming to it. But the chorus, the verses are very simple and easy too. So great beginner chords for everyone as well. And if you're kind of like at the point where you want to up your game a little bit strumming wise and stuff, I think this would be a really good one for you. So Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. It's been real, and I'll see you next time.